Yeah, man, on the train going back to Naples to the hotel to take some rest. Just showing you guys the beautiful is passing. 4:36 5 बज रहे हैं शाम के. This is a very beautiful coastline. Se stai viaggiando con la modalità Tap Tap, ti ricordiamo di effettuare il secondo tap non appena scendi dal treno. Se il tuo viaggio prevede più transito regionale, il tap a chiusura va effettuato unicamente al completamento dell'ultima tappa. Questo permetterà di calcolare correttamente l'importo esatto da addebitare. In assenza del secondo tap sarà applicata automaticamente la tariffa massima. If you are traveling in a second tap mode, please remember to tap out and together with the train. If your journey includes several legs with regional trains, you should tap out after completing the last leg. This is the only way to calculate the right amount to be charged. If you don't tap out, the highest fare will be automatically charged. Right now we are on the station. It will move. I just put a camera on one side, that way it won't shake. I would recommend you guys to watch this beautiful coastline. You know this guy. I hope you know this guy by now. This guy has been showing you guys around Italy for the last 7 days. Come on, guys. Justin, how are you, man? I just showed you guys around Pompeii and going back to Naples. Tomorrow is my flight back to US. Yes, we just talked yesterday night. Last night we were talking, right, from Florence. So I came to Naples this morning, and right now you're looking at outside the window, beautiful coastline. Back from Pompeii to Naples, you'll see the beautiful coastline here. Look at that. Informiamo i gentili passeggeri che per lavori di potenziamento infrastrutturale dal 1 febbraio tutti i treni delle relazioni portuali da Napoli San Giovanni Padra, Napoli Campi Faicain del Mare di Stabia, Torre Annunziata Centrale, Salerno di Napoli Campi Faicain 799. Yes, it is. That's the ocean around Italy. Italy has a big coastline, as you can see. If you look at the Italy in the map, there's nothing around it except there are no neighbors except water. Yes, it is a beautiful view. Let me move.
Excuse me.
Io faccio una là.
Vi raccomandiamo prudenza nella discesa dal treno.
Oops.
Se stai viaggiando con la modalità Tap and Tap, ti ricordiamo di effettuare il secondo tap non appena scendi dal treno. Se il tuo viaggio prevede più tratte con i treni del regionale, il tap a chiusura va effettuato unicamente al completamento dell'ultima tratta. Questo permetterà di calcolare correttamente l'importo esatto da addebitare. In assenza del secondo tap sarà applicata automaticamente la tariffa massima. If you are traveling in tap and tap mode, please remember to tap
Anytime,
out
man.
together.
Look at that.
If your journey includes several legs with the regional trains, you should tap out after completing the last leg. This is the only way to calculate the right amount to be charged. If you don't tap out, the highest fare will be automatically charged.
Yeah, Mirza Ali Heather. If you haven't watched my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Dr. Imran Raza. There are multiple videos for health and fitness, and there will be videos for travel. There is a new podcast coming tomorrow on the channel. Yeah, the podcast is about me talking about the healthcare system in America and other things. So that would be very interesting. It's a remote podcast, but I think you guys will learn a lot from that. Mr. Bug, how are you? Ramadan Mubarak.
شكل الغابة شيء هيكون غلط قدم زين ما قدر شحال السنات ديال اوكي شباب نكون سأل خلي شيء كان او
मैन मुझे 25 साल हो गए यहाँ रहते हुए अमेरिका में और मेरी बहुत सी हॉबीज़ हैं. अगर आपने मेरी वीडियो नहीं देखी तो आप ज़रूर देखें. ऑनलाइन वहाँ पे चैनल जो है फ्रॉम स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ कराची टू अमेरिकन ड्रीम. इस वक्त मैं लाइव हूँ फ्रॉम इटली, गोइंग टू नेपल्स एंड द फ्लाइट बैक टुमारो टू USA. इसको ज़रूर देखें और उसको शेयर करें ताकि आपके दोस्त, आपकी फैमिली, आपके और जो रिश्तेदार हैं वो भी देख सकें. बिकॉज there's a lot to learn in that video, and overall the channel is about health and fitness, so you guys will benefit from that. The train is about to move. Niranjan, man, we're back. Well, good to see you again. Just going back to Naples from Pompeii by train. It's a beautiful sign I would like you guys to see. Stay tuned and you will see it right now. The train is about to move.
stai viaggiando con la modalità tap and tap, ti ricordiamo di effettuare il secondo tap non appena scendi dal treno. Se il tuo viaggio prevede più tratte,
ذكرى
il
سعيد
tap
بالدواب
va
السجل
effettuato
الله يسهل
prima del completamento dell'ultima tappa. Questo permetterà di calcolare correttamente l'impatto esatto da
مربوط
applicare.
ديال
In assenza del secondo tap
هذا
sarà applicata automaticamente.
Well, if the baby got the vaccine on Rahul Kumar, I'm answering your question. Thanks for joining the channel. आपने लिखा है कि आपका baby 6 weeks का है. I'm sorry, he's 43 day old, almost month and a half. And then he got his first vaccination at 6 weeks on Wednesday 11 a.m. and he still has fever today around 6 p.m. on Friday. How high is the fever, Rahul?
والله هاي ما تنساش اخوي
How high is the fever baby has and is the baby feeding okay? Important thing is छोटे बच्चे बहुत जल्दी डिहाइड्रेट हो जाते हैं अगर वो खाना पीना ना करें. अगर वो ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग कर रहे हैं या फार्मूला, either way you have to continue the breastfeeding and formula whatever. And then
انا جاي خفت ترين
100.3.
انا جاي في
Okay.
ترين
How about the feeding? Is he feeding?
قريب تسني في الطريق شنو داير معاه
Is he feeding okay?
قريب انا راه في 14 حد بعد ليش ما بطلعش البحر ورجعنا
Are there any signs of dehydration where the baby is not really very active or the skin is kind of wrinkled? जो फीवर जो है उसको आप अभी से मॉनिटर करें. बहुत से वैक्सीन, विच वैक्सीन डिड यू गेट? बहुत सी लाइव वैक्सीन जो होती हैं वो इस एज में नहीं दी जाती 6 वीक्स पे. हेलो हसनैन अली, हाउ आर यू? हानी अली, I am going to Naples from Pompeii, Italy to Naples, Italy. Tomorrow is the flight back to USA. It was a 9-day trip. It was very productive. I made a lot of videos and all these videos will be on the channel after they get edited. I think Rahul, आपको परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I think everything will be fine. सिर्फ आप बेबी पर नज़र रखें. As long as the baby is feeding, you know, आप बता दें पेडिट्रिशियन को just for the sake of telling them कि अभी तक फीवर है. Sometimes the fever lasts up to 36 hours. लेकिन उसके बाद अगर बेबी एक्टिव है और ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग हो रही है सही तो आई थिंक यू शुड बी फाइन. लेकिन अब ये भी देखें कि ये जो सर्दियों का मौसम होता है इसके अंदर RSV वायरस और दूसरे वायरसेस, फ्लू के वायरस भी होते हैं, कोविड भी अभी है, तो कोइंसिडेंस भी हो सकता है. तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि ये फीवर सिर्फ वैक्सीन से ही हो, क्या पता कोई और वायरल इन्फेक्शन भी हो. सो कीप एन आई एंड आई वुड से इन्फॉर्म योर पीडियाट्रिशियन जस्ट इन केस. That's a good sign. That's a good sign to just monitor, but let the pediatrician know for the sake of just letting them know. देखिए मेरी जो एडवाइस है सिर्फ मैं किसी को एग्जामिन तो नहीं कर सकता हूँ. दिस इज जस्ट लाइक द एडवाइस आई एम गिविंग यू गाइस जस्ट बाय हियरिंग व्हाट यू आर टेलिंग मी. तो I am everything. I am a primary care, but I have very vast experience in all the fields from pediatrics to geriatrics and dermatology and cosmetics. I do a lot of cosmetics procedures also with lasers and all that, plus a primary care clinic. तो अभी तो मैं वापस जा रहा हूँ नेपल्स, इटली. मैं पॉम्पे में था, आपने शायद मिस कर दिया. आई वॉज लाइव फ्रॉम पॉम्पे एंड पॉम्पे वॉज अ सिटी विच वॉज टोटली बर्न डाउन बिकॉज ऑफ द वॉल्केनो इरप्शन जो कि 79 AD में हुआ था, तकरीबन 2000 साल पहले. और वो भी बाद में लाइव पे आज लाइव वीडियोस पे आप जाके देख सकते हैं. लेकिन अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ वापस नेपल्स, वहाँ से रोम टुमारो, विच आई हैव अ फ्लाइट अगेन टुमारो फ्रॉम रोम 7 p.m. to USA. Okay, you are a psych resident. That's great. And Sarafina, yeah, remember you're talking to AI, so an AI cannot tell you that. Melasma is very difficult to treat, my friend. Very difficult to treat melasma, and you know, the biggest thing you can do is to It can be hormonally induced, it can be emotionally induced, it can get worse from pregnancies. So अपना ये क्वेश्चन आपने जो पूछा है ये बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट चीज़ है इसको ट्रीट करने के लिए. I remember you. Look at this skyline of the. This is nice. This is a skyline, Italian skyline of a city. This city is. I don't know which exactly we are passing. Which city we are passing? I think it's. I think it's called Salirano. I hope you enjoyed the whole visit. We have Italy live. Well, let me show you around. The train is not that packed. It's okay. इंडिया वाला हाल नहीं है इधर कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान वाला हाल नहीं है कि पूरा फुल हुआ हो. यार melasma is very very difficult to treat. बहुत सारी creams लगानी पड़ती हैं, बहुत से ज़्यादा कई दफ़ा आप you have to do a procedure from lasers also. Is treatable but it comes back very quickly and with vengeance.
Vi raccomandiamo prudenza nella discesa dal treno.
तो ट्रीट आप कर सकते हो लेकिन ये बार बार आ सकता है.
Se stai viaggiando con la modalità Tap and Tap, ti ricordiamo di effettuare il secondo tap non appena scendi dal treno. Se il tuo viaggio prevede più traffico con i treni del regionale, il tap a chiusura va effettuato unicamente al completamento dell'ultima tappa. Questo permetterà di calcolare correttamente l'importo esatto da addebitare. In assenza del secondo tap sarà applicata automaticamente.
यार 20 years हो गए कायल आपके टूटे हुए हिमरस को. तो यार तो I think what you should do is to talk to your another orthopedic guy, get some new x-rays done, see what's wrong. Maybe it just did not heal the right way. The humerus is a very important bone in the upper extremity that connects the shoulder with the elbow. तो वो तो आपको बात करनी पड़ेगी यार. किसी ऑर्थोपेडिक को दिखाओ आप और उसका एक्सरे वापस कराओ और देखो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद दैट, क्योंकि दिस इज़ नॉट रियली नॉर्मल. Yeah, I do see a lot of delusional patients, schizophrenics, and you name it, we see it. Bipolars, ADD, ADHD, PTSD. So bipolar with manic episodes, adjustment disorders, anxiety, depression, dysthymia, you name it, we see it. Usually I refer those to psychiatrists because, you know, I'm not a psychiatrist, but I have a fair amount of experience in psych, but some of them have come with suicidal ideation and you don't want to sit on there for too long. क्योंकि अगर वो अपने आप को मार ले, कुछ कर ले तो फिर liability हो जाती है. So usually when some patient admits that they are suicidal in my clinic, when I ask them, are you having bad thoughts of harming yourself or harming others? अगर वो ये कह दे तो मैं फ़ौरन पुलिस को फ़ोन करके उसको पुलिस के थ्रू ER भिजवाता हूँ. Well, why should I keep the beard? I'm okay like that. Thank you, Sarfina Khan. Sabina Khatun, thank you very much. अच्छा जी, आपका कमेंट में पढ़ता हूँ वापस. हानी अली, vitiligo, yeah, नहीं, there is no treatment for vitiligo. Vitiligo is an autoimmune disorder of the skin. इसका कोई ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली. तो सिर्फ आप ये कर सकते हो कि वहाँ पे आप टैटू करवा सकते हो उस कलर का, आपके स्किन के नोट टोन का जो टैटू आप करवा सकते हो, शायद वो वहाँ पे उसको थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट कर दे, वाइटिश कलर वहाँ से हट जाए. तो यू कैन जस्ट मेक इट लिटिल मोर मेलो, but there is no cure unfortunately for vitiligo, which is an autoimmune disorder of the skin. Thank you, Siddharth. I think I have not seen you in a while. Please, I think you must be watching my channel, or you must be a subscriber. That's why I don't know. First of all, if people who are seeing my video, my live video, they have to be subscribers, or they can just see without being subscribed, which is totally fine. I'm just telling people to just watch the channel, and there are a lot of information, good information on it in easy language, so you will like it. यार ये myth है, nothing to do with fish and
Attenzione, siamo in arrivo a Napoli, Piazza Garibaldi. Attenzione, prossima fermata Napoli, Piazza Garibaldi.
and milk. Yes, obviously, nothing is free, so we have to pay whatever price it is for the ticket and all that. Is it Napoli Central is here? The one? Is this a Napoli Central?
Sì, Garibaldi.
When is the
Piazza
Napoli?
Garibaldi. Vicino Napoli Centrale.
Napoli Central, when is it?
Centrale, sì. Stazione centrale Napoli. Napoli.
It's coming?
Napoli, sì.
Napoli, this one?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Napoli, huh?
Sì, Napoli. Stazione centrale di sopra.
Okay.
4 maggio.
Oh, Napoli, thank you. Okay, guys. We'll talk to you soon.